Welcome back to our channel. Simon's behind the camera and today we are in the beautiful Osaka. Today's port guide is going to tell you what you can do in this area when you get directly off the ship, and also how easy it is to head that way to the subway and explore a little bit more of Osaka further afield.
Directly beside where the ships dock, we've got the Tempozan Harbour village and the Glion Aquarium.
The aquarium behind us is well worth a visit. What's in there, Simon?
The main thing is the main tank pretty much goes from the top floor to the ground floor, and it contains 2 whale sharks, manta rays, sharks, rays, pretty much everything. It's a fantastic place. If you're going to go in there, give yourself a good couple of hours because it is amazing.
Yeah, we're not going in there today because we've been in there quite a few times, but as Simon said, put it on your to-do list.
So in the Tempozan Marketplace, there's many shops to visit, places to eat. There's also a Lego land that you can visit if you've got the little kids with you, or if you're a big kid. If you're looking for somewhere to go for okonomiyaki, this is a place we can hardly recommend.
One of the good things about eating in here, the prices are actually quite reasonable. There's not a high markup from tourists. It's pretty much what you will pay across a lot of Osaka.
Another thing you can do if you're cruising into Osaka is the Santa Maria Bay cruise, which is a scenic cruise around Osaka Harbour.
Goes for around 50 minutes and you buy the tickets and board right beside where the cruise ships dock for port. That's a bit confusing, isn't it? Cruise ships, cruise ships.
Yeah, the Bay cruise leaves on the hour, and as Tanya said, about 50 minutes.
Yeah, it's a nice relaxed view of Osaka Bay.
Having said that, having just got off a ship to get back on a ship, you might not want to do that.
We'll leave that one for you to decide. Behind us is the Ferris wheel. It was once the largest Ferris wheel in the world, but is no longer. We are going to take you up there to show you the views from the top.
We're going to the Glion Car Museum.
We've shown you what you can do around the direct area. Now we're going to show you exactly how to get to the subway. We're going to walk you there, and from there you can pretty much see anything in Osaka. Simon, where would you recommend a first time, never been to Japan person to visit?
Certainly Namba is the easiest area to get to. There's lots to see. There's plenty of temples, there's shopping, luxury goods.
And you know what?
And plenty of food.
We have a video that gives you all of the reasons why we love Namba. We'll pop the link to that at the end. But let's get going and walk you to that subway station. Once you're up where the ticket machines are, you can buy the tickets depending on where you're going. On the board above, it is all signed in English, so you'll be able to see how much it costs. We'd highly recommend though, if you are going to be travelling around on the subway, to get a sweeper card. You can get a digital one if you've got an Apple iPhone and have it all ready and loaded with cash ready to go. And then that way it's as simple as scanning your phone as you go through the ticket gate. You don't need internet access, it automatically just reads the chip. Now, if you want to know more about the Super card, you can watch our video. I'll stick the video in the corner so you can see which one that is, but it fully explains how to get that card before you even come to Japan.
So if you're heading to Namba, you want to get this train from platform 1 to Hamachi, and that's where we're going to change to the Mido Suji line. When you get to the Mido Suji line, it's platform 1 and it's 2 stops to Namba. And this is Namba, really easy to find. You've got a main food street just over here, the main shopping streets of Shinsaibashi Suji's over there, and really easy to get to.
We hope you've enjoyed our DIY tips for visiting Osaka on a cruise ship. If you've found our video helpful, what can they do, Simon?
Please like and subscribe, and also check out our other port stops on your own.
And some of those Osaka videos that we've put out that can give you an idea of what to see and do. See you next time.
Bye now.